The sport is becoming more popular. This is because Mud4Fun is open to all cars. Whether you are using your daily drive car, you are not a pro driver, you do not need to be a pro driver for you to enjoy Mud4Fun. And the aspect that it's a family event where you and your family, your kids can come and get to enjoy the amazing kiddie village, the amazing experiential zone that we have, and the amazing activities we have here is making this sport more popular. We are gearing up for day 2, which is going to be expert, super expert, and intermediate. And all of you are so invited, and we can't wait to see you.